Good morning, it's Damon the Global Gardener here treating mosquitoes. Here's a different kind of a scenario but in New York landscapes where it's very humid, there are just ravenous little beasts. You can hear construction next door, you can hear the air conditioner humming, and you can hear me talking to you. Welcome, this is another edition of the Global Gardener product review series where I just look at and talk about all kinds of different products. Right now we're doing, the solo sprayer, which I have a video displaying how far this puppy, that's the pump top, will go from the bell nozzle to, I think it's a liter or so of volume. I show how far it actually sprays in the other video, but today I was spraying trees in that video for reducing fruit load because like plums dropping in the picnic area was a huge problem with bugs. So here today we're treating mosquitoes, and this is Colton's Naturals, my professional videographying Colton's Naturals, and there's a link below the video about what Colton's Naturals, where to get it, what it is, and you can look at the other reviews there. I put it in it says to use 4 to 8 ounces. This is a 8-ounce organic coconut smoothie from Trader Joe's. Super delicious, but and it looks like that what was actually in there. So it's a little bit dangerous, but once you smell it, ooh, it's cedar oil and garlic oil and a bunch of other stuff, and man, it is smelly. This container is not particularly good because the lid somehow isn't fully sealing, so I try to put it in as much of these as possible, but you should label them too, so you're not like, coconut smoothie, oh no, cedar, garlic, I will be clear of mosquitoes, they'll never bite me again. Which is actually a good tip. If you do eat a lot of garlic, mosquitoes are like not interested. So I'm in it's 9 in the morning with lots of construction activity, but I'm in this like cool, damp, dark underbelly of New York City, Brooklyn really, but backyard garden, which is actually a pretty lovely garden. But I'm under here because I'm looking for mosquitoes. I've been spraying this Colton's Naturals for it's like the 4th or 5th week in a row. I'm using sort of a double batch, the 8 ounce. They recommend like 4 to 8 ounce, and I was like, well, let's see how it goes. Natural oils of things I wasn't too certain, but I wanted to get kick started. So it's rained a few times in between, but I'm not seeing. I think I saw one mosquito. And it's in the morning when they're usually just like at me, my legs itching and all that, but not. I saw one and it was on the border of the fence, so that's a really good sign. And I actually would recommend this stuff, but you can't store it in your car. I had it in the truck for a few weeks and just. Of course, I have fertilizers, organic fertilizers in there too, so that was also very smelly. So I took all that out, but it's hard to find places to store it, and unless it's in actually a sealed container. But even when it came, it was like the smell sort of oozes through the plastic or something. But so it's potent business, but natural. It's more of a repellent than a insecticide. So. That's why it's safe for kids and dogs and living areas, like places where people are going to be and maybe walk barefoot and everything, or near vegetables where they have blueberries and strawberries growing in the containers right above me on the deck. And it's safe to spray on those because garlic and cedar, like you can eat these things. But they're so smelly to the receptors of the mosquitoes that it's a very deterrent. Some word of not repelling. I was trying to come up with a fancier word than repellent, but there you have it. I would love to show you this garden, but because there's the irrigation from the upper deck, sort of pools and puddles and keeps this area nice and moist, which is the perfect environment for mosquitoes. But I am not seeing any, so I give Colton's Naturals props on actually working. And I'll give you another view of me and the product. The product, there it is, Colton's Naturals. So there you have it, the team anti-mosquito, mosquito relief, plus me, or you. This has been another fun edition of The Global Gardener product review. Go get it. Go see some other videos of, we got clippers, we got, I don't even remember, I think the digging knife. There's so many. So much fun. Plus, botanic gardens around the world. Like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.